Yes. Students, now we start with the exercise 2.2 of the textbook, NCERT textbook. The question is, first question, prove that 3 sin inverse x equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, or maybe 3, these are the 3 times formula in 3 times, thrice of sin inverse x, thrice of cos inverse x, and thrice of tan inverse x. Second, 3 times of cos inverse x equals to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, or 3 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. How we can prove it? All the 3 formulas are the same method. For the first result, let me suppose that sin inverse x equals to theta, x equals to sin theta. Then what about sin 3 theta? The formula of sin 3 theta equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. What is the value of sin theta? Sin theta is x. 3x minus 4x cube. Then 3 theta equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. 3. What is the value of theta? Sin inverse x. Therefore 3 sin inverse x equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Similarly, in the question number second part, put cos inverse x equal to theta, x equals to cos theta, then cos 3 theta equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. By using this result, again we get the second part. Similarly, for the third part also, 3 tan inverse x. For the third part, put tan inverse x equals to theta, x equals to tan theta. Then what about tan 3 theta? Tan 3 theta equals to 3 tan theta minus 4 minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. By using this result, substitute the value. By the same method, we got the second proof as well as the third proof. Now in question number third, prove that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. We already done the formula of tan inverse x. We already prove the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Then tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 2 by 7 by 24 equals to tan inverse x is 2 by 11, y is 7 by 24. Tan inverse 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 upon 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Simplify, then we get the value of tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay. Next question, fourth question. Prove that 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equals to tan inverse 31 by 17. So we already know that the 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So therefore first we solve this part. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 equals to tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 का whole square. Second tan inverse 1 by 7 as it is. If we simplify it, then we get tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Again we use the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Simplify it, and then we get the value of tan inverse 31 by 17. Now in question number 5th onwards, express the following inverse trigonometric function in the simplest form. The first part, tan inverse root 1 plus x square upon 1 minus 1 upon x. Again we know that root in the root, the term is given that 1 plus x square. In case of 1 plus x square is in the root, then we put x equals to tan theta. Because we know that 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So therefore we put x equals to tan theta. Tan inverse 1 plus root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon, what is the value of x? Tan theta. What about 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta? The square root of sec square theta, sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now we change sec theta and tan theta in terms of sin and cos. Sec theta 1 upon cos minus 1 upon tan theta sin upon cos. Cos is the LCM. So 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. And sin theta equals to 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. That is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2. That is theta by 2. And if x equals to tan theta, then what about theta? Tan inverse x. Substitute the value of theta. 1 by 2 tan inverse x. In question number 6, again simplify tan inverse 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Again in this part, root x square minus 1. Then we put x equals to sec theta, because sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. So put x equals to sec theta. Tan inverse 1 upon root sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Square root tan theta. Tan inverse 1 upon tan is cot. And how we can change this cot theta in terms of tan? Tan pi by 2 minus tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Therefore, tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus what is theta? Sec inverse x. Pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. But we know that sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 2 minus sec inverse x equals to cosec inverse x. Maybe we also solve for the put x equals to cosec theta. If we put x equals to cosec theta, then we get a direct result. Similarly, in the question number 9, tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square. Now we put x equals to a tan a sin theta, because a square minus x square. Put x equals to a sin theta. Tan inverse a sin theta upon root of a square minus a square sin square theta. A square is common, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, root cos theta. A cancel with a, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta is theta. Again from this, x equals to a sin theta, then sin theta equals to x upon a. What about theta? Sin inverse x upon a. Putting the value of theta, sin inverse x upon a. Question number 10. Again simplify tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square. Put x equals to a tan theta. A tan theta. 3a square as it is, x equals to a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta upon a cube as it is minus 3a as it is. What is the value of x? A tan theta, that is a square tan square theta. Now we check, AQ is common from the numerator and AQ is common from the denominator. AQ is cancelled. Then 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Tan inverse tan 3 theta is 3 theta. 3 as it is. What is the value of theta? X equals to a tan theta, x upon a equals to tan theta. Then what about theta? Tan inverse x upon a. Next question, find the values of the following. Tan inverse twice of cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. You start with the angle bracket. Tan inverse 2 cos as it is 2. What is the value of sin inverse 1 by 2? Pi by 6. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. 2 cancel, pi by 3. What is the value of cos pi by 3? 1 by 2. 2 cancel with 2. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 equals to tan inverse 1 equals to pi by 4. Similarly, question number 12 also. Cot of tan inverse a plus cot inverse a. But we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals to pi by 2. Therefore, tan inverse a plus cot inverse a equals to pi by 2. So therefore, cot pi by 2 is 0. 13th question, tan of half of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. We already proved the result. 2 tan inverse x equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Therefore, 1 by 2 as it is written as 2 tan inverse x plus it is written as 2 tan inverse y. 2 is common, cancel. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. And what is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Again tan of tan inverse x cancel. That is x plus y upon 1 minus xy.